In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with a YouTube video in NotebookLM. This feature is incredibly useful for anyone looking to engage more deeply with video content, whether for study purposes, work, or personal enrichment. Let's dive into the process and explore how you can make the most out of this tool. First, you'll want to direct yourself to notebooklm.google.com. This is where all the magic happens. Here, you have the option to either create a brand new notebook or open an existing one, depending on whether you're starting fresh or continuing from a previous session where you've already saved some notes. Once you're inside your notebook, it's time to add the YouTube video URL. This is the key step to begin interacting with your chosen video. To do this, look for the Add Source button within your notebook interface. Next, you'll need to specify the type of source you're using, which, in this case, is YouTube. Now, simply paste the URL of the YouTube video you wish to analyze. Make sure you've copied the correct link, as this will ensure that the right video is brought up for analysis. After pasting the URL, NotebookLM will spring into action, retrieving and processing the transcript of the video. This step may require a bit of patience, as it could take a moment or two, depending on the video's length and your internet speed. But rest assured, this brief wait is worthwhile for what comes next. Once the video is processed, you can begin interacting with it. The chat interface within NotebookLM allows you to ask questions directly related to the video's content. This is especially handy if there are specific parts of the video you want more clarity on or if you missed something while watching. NotebookLM will provide answers sourced from the video's transcript and even cite specific parts of the video. This feature adds a layer of depth to the interaction and ensures you receive information that's directly relevant to your query. Beyond just asking questions, NotebookLM offers features to generate summaries and study materials. This includes creating concise summaries and frequently asked questions based on the video's content. You can also compile study guides or audio overviews, all tailored to the insights you need. These tools are excellent for making notes or preparing for exams, presentations, or discussions centered around the video's topic. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to chatting with YouTube videos within NotebookLM. By utilizing this approach, you can transform passive video viewing into an interactive learning experience. So, next time you find yourself needing to digest a video's content more thoroughly, try using NotebookLM and see how it enhances your understanding. Happy exploring!